welcome back to Channel Auto Rush Pro. Today we're diving into a machine that's more than just a vehicle, it's a rolling mansion with the heart of a truck. Meet the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome. This beast brings commercial trucking power into the luxury RV world, and if you're into road trips with zero compromise, you're going to want to hear every detail. Let's start with its presence on the road. The exterior of the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is nothing short of imposing. Built on the legendary Kenworth T680 chassis, it features an aerodynamic profile that's been refined with smoother lines and better airflow efficiency. The signature grille is bold and unmistakably Kenworth, surrounded by chrome accents that run along the body. LED lighting is standard all-around headlights, tail lamps, and running lights, not just for aesthetics, but also to improve visibility and energy efficiency. There are multiple slide-outs on each side, giving this motorhome a true residential feel when parked. Add to that the power retractable awning with integrated lighting, and you're set for a luxurious outdoor setup. With options for custom paint jobs and full-body wraps, the Kenworth Motorhome can be tailored to your personality in ways most RVs can't touch. Inside is where things really get exciting. Step into the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome and you're entering a fully loaded apartment on wheels. Hay materials define the space: real wood cabinetry, leather seating, solid surface countertops, and polished tile flooring. The driver and passenger seats are air suspended and heated, with 360-degree swivel capabilities to turn the cab into a social area when parked. The main living space features a spacious sectional sofa, a 60-inch smart TV, and a state-of-the-art surround sound system. The kitchen is fully equipped with a residential-sized fridge, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a dishwasher. Storage space is smartly integrated into every corner, and soft closed drawers give the whole area a premium feel. In the back, the master bedroom features a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, underbed storage, and another large-screen TV. There's even an optional fireplace to add to that homey vibe. The bathroom includes a rainfall shower, full-size, vanity, and porcelain toilet, rivaling what you'd find in upscale condos. Performance-wise, this isn't just a luxury house on wheels, it's a powerhouse. The 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is powered by a PACCAR MX-13 diesel engine, delivering up to 510 horsepower and 1,850 pounds-ft of torque. Paired with a 12-speed automated transmission, the ride is surprisingly smooth for such a massive vehicle. Whether you're climbing mountain passes or cruising down the interstate, this rig handles it all with ease. The air ride suspension system helps absorb bumps and gives passengers a steady, quiet ride. Towing capacity is another standout feature. This motorhome can tow up to 40,000 pounds, meaning you can bring along a trailer, car, or even a boat without breaking a sweat. Fuel economy has been slightly improved from previous models thanks to better aerodynamics and engine tuning, with most owners reporting between 6 to 8 miles per gallon depending on load and terrain. Now, let's talk price. As expected, luxury doesn't come cheap. The base model of the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome starts around $425,000, but once you start adding custom features, upgraded interiors, solar packages, and entertainment systems, the price can easily push past $600,000. There are also various packages for off-grid living, including lithium battery banks, inverter systems, and solar panels, which add both cost and convenience. So who is this motorhome for? It's built for the serious traveler, people who want the freedom of the open road without sacrificing the comforts of home. Whether you're full-timing, touring the country, or just looking to upgrade your RV lifestyle in the biggest way possible, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is one of the most capable, luxurious options out there. That's it for today's deep dive. If you enjoyed the review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next ride. Thanks for watching Auto Rush Pro, and we'll see you on the next drive.